Hi everyone, my name is Cezar and I will present our paper Can User Reviews Indicate Usability Heuristic Issues? User reviews can help identify new features, fix bugs, and improve usability. The question is, to what extent do user reviews indicate problems related to usability heuristics? To do this, we applied a methodology consisting of 4 sequential steps, in which the researchers classified 528 statements. As a general result, 25% of the statements were classified with heuristics. Help users recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors was the risk that occurs the most, while error prevention was the risk that occurs the least. Statements classified with heuristics usually have a higher number of words. We observed that the recovery heuristic occurs the most in page apps, while match between system and the real world was the risk that occurs the most in free apps. Analyzing the application categories, games have most statements classified with heuristics. However, the statements in games contain only 6 heuristics, the smallest number of heuristics among the categories. Comparing the results between the online stores, we observed that the recovery heuristic occurs the most in Google Play Store statements. This finding is also observed in the Apple App Store statements. Regarding the co-occurrence between heuristics, match between system and the real world was the risk that co-occurs the most, whereas error prevention did not co-occur with any other heuristic. From these findings, we concluded that user reviews have a certain potential to indicate usability heuristic issues. However, this manual classification is challenging, since users often do not elaborate on the context of use. Approaches that use semantic or sentiment analysis can bring advantages to heuristics identification in the future. Also, text evaluation based on usability heuristics could be used as a support technique for usability evaluation. User reviews have, even small, a certain potential for automation. For this, we can consider the statement length, as users frequently detail more information when reporting, although not knowing a risky issue. Also, automated tools can be built to enable this classification task. Currently, we are defining a set of language patterns as an automatic classification approach for this classification task. We intend also to investigate machine learning techniques in this context. Thank you all for watching.